Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hi everybody, I'm Celine and welcome back to another Turkish class. Today we will be talking about must-know family words in Turkish. Okay, let's start. Aile, family. Aile, family. Aile, toplumun temelidir. Family is the basis of society. If you want to talk about your family, then you say benim ailem, senin ailen. Benim ailem 4 kişiliktir, which means there are 4 people in my family. Baba, father. Baba, father. Babam hep televizyonun önünde uyuyakalıyor. Babam hep televizyonun önünde uyuyakalıyor. My father always falls asleep in front of the TV. So in Turkey, usually small, little girls, they tend to say to their father daddy, that kind of cute way. So baba becomes babish, babishko. It's like daddy, this kind of word. Koca, husband. Koca, husband. Kocam beni aldatıyor. My husband cheats on me. Oh, it's not a very nice example actually. But you don't need to use koca actually all the time. You can use eş. Eş means my husband or my wife. It can be used for both. Benim eşim, my wife or my husband. But koca is only for guys. So only women can use it. My husband, kocam. Kocam, eşim. Oğul, son. Oğul, son. 2 oğlum var. 2 oğlum var. I have 2 sons. Let's say you have 2 sons. If you want to say, my elder son's name is blah blah, elder son is büyük oğlum. My elder son, büyük oğlum. If you want to say my youngest son, you say küçük oğlum. Büyük oğlum, küçük oğlum. Amca, uncle. Amca, uncle. Amcam bize çikolata getirmiş. Uncle has brought chocolate for us. So I know in English, for your mother's brother and for your father's brother, you use only one word, uncle, right? But in Turkish, we don't use the same word for both. We have different words. Amca is for your father's brother. But for your mother's brother, you say dayı. Dayı amca. But you don't have this in English, so I think it's only for Turkish. Dayı amca. Dede, grandfather. Dede, grandfather. Dedemin gözleri iyi görmüyor. My grandfather's eyesight is not good. We have 2 words for grandfather. One is dede, and the other one is büyük baba. And büyük baba literally means grandfather. If you ask me the difference, I think dede is more casual. Büyük baba, it's a bit more polite, but it's actually really hard to say the difference. Maybe most Turkish people prefer dede, I think. Dede is more I don't know, it sounds more like Turkish culture. Kayınpeder, father-in-law. Kayınpeder, father-in-law. Sizi kayınpederimle tanıştırayım. Mehmet Bey. Mehmet Bey. Let me introduce you to my father-in-law, Mehmet Bey. So, in Turkey, to your father-in-law, you don't need to be polite, I think. Of course you need to be polite, but you say father to your father-in-law too. So you don't say Mr. Mehmet. Bey means Mr. You say Baba, like babam. Benim babam, like same. But of course, when you're introducing your father-in-law to someone else, you say Mr. Mehmet. But when you call your father-in-law, you just say father in Turkish, baba. Anne, mother. Anne, mother. Annem henüz işten dönmedi. My mother hasn't returned back from work yet. Anne is such a nice word, right? My best word maybe. So, anne, just like baba. When your like little daughter or son would like to say it in a cute way, they change it and they make it annish, annishko, anneciğim, which all means like mommy, mama, like this. And also, there is one more way to say mother in Turkish, and it is ana, A-N-A. Well, usually not in the big cities, but in the villages, like towns. I think people still using ana, but like cities like Istanbul or Ankara, probably not most people are using ana anymore. It's more like in rural areas now. Kız, daughter. Kız, daughter. Hep bir kızım olsun istedim. I always wanted to have a daughter. Okay, so now we know how to say son and daughter, right? Son is oğul and daughter is kız. There are also another way to say, which is not very common in daily language, but you say like this. For son, erkek evlat. For daughter, kız evlat. Which means like same meaning, son, daughter. And kız also, it means girl actually, right? So girl is also kız. Daughter is also kız. Like we use the same word. Karı, wife. Karı, wife. Karım beni terk etti. My wife has left me. Well, if you cheat on your wife, then of course she will leave you like that. So if you use karı, the noun, just like that, I think it will sound rude. Because we use it as an insult in Turkey sometimes. Depends on the conversation. So please be careful about that. If you think it's too rude to say karı, then do you remember I just taught you another word, eş. You can just go with eş, eşim. It will be safer, I think. So karım, my wife. Eşim, my wife. Same. You can just choose whatever you want. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please visit turkishclass101.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care and learn Turkish more. Bye bye. Let me introduce you to my father-in-law, Mr. Mehmet. Mehmet Bey. Ah, okay. Not Mr. Mehmet. Okay. Let me. Mehmet Bey, this week. Mehmet Bey. Well, if you cheat on her, of course she will left you.